It's not very often that you can find the last of the two-door full-size GMC Yukons. This Yukon's just shy of 14,000 original miles, loaded with all the options. This truck has been a Southern truck, came out of Texas. A really, really nice, clean. It's got the upgraded leather interior, the teal exterior, it's tan interior. This is a really nice four-wheel drive, two-door. It's got the split doors on the back, and it's just in really, really good condition. With AC blows cold, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, all that works. Just went through a complete tune-up, new fuel pump, cap, rotor, plugs, wires, all that stuff's done. So this Yukon is all done, all ready to go, and we're gonna have it for sale. Barrett Jackson for the January sale in Scottsdale. We're gonna have a few low mileage trucks at the sale in our group of, or our collection of cars that we're bringing down to sell.